Hello, welcome. Today we'll learn how to use the Chatbot in the Axis Pro web version to resolve questions and get quick help directly within the platform. Go to the dashboard and in the bottom right corner, click on the circular Chatbot icon to open the Help chat. There, you can type any question you have, and the chatbot will provide a clear response with step-by-step guidance on what to do within Axis Pro, helping you solve issues or learn features quickly. And with that, you now know how to use the chatbot in the Axis Pro web version. You can resolve your questions instantly and continue working without interruptions. See you in the next tutorial.